Hello everyone and welcome back to another tech video. Today is a big day. It's going to be my first impressions and unboxing of the brand new OnePlus Nord 2. This phone, I got it yesterday and it's the first time I've ever owned a OnePlus Nord 2. So let's get right into the unboxing first. So the unboxing is pretty straightforward. Comes in this nice, cool reflective blue. Once you open it, you get the device right away. I got it in the blue haze color. You can get it in the gray Sierra, or I believe you're in India, you can get it in a special green. Once you get through the phone, we'll put the phone to the side for now. Then you get into the paperwork and you get into a silicone case. The silicone case is kind of nice. It has some nice, cool look to it. You get these kind of quirky drawings from the team at OnePlus. And like I've said before, the silicone case is not just very simple, but kind of really stylish as well. Then you get into the fast USB to USB-C charging, very traditional color from OnePlus, and you get into this massive charger with Warp Charge 65 for fast charging. Then from there we get straight into the device. Like I said, pretty satisfying to look at this in that beautiful blue haze color. Very big device. And then look at this, it's just absolutely beautiful. It has the very glass back to it, and then around the cameras it has this matte blue. My first impression with this phone is, first of all, like I previously mentioned, it is my first OnePlus device. Like I never owned a OnePlus before. I've heard about them a lot, but I never actually owned one. I've ordered it in the blue haze and it's absolutely unbelievable. It looks beautiful. It has this nice beautiful glass back and then kind of like matte blue around the camera layout, which is absolutely great. It has loads of colors, has a nice punch to it. It gets plenty bright, although not as bright as my Google Pixel 5, but that's okay. I do a lot of things inside. I don't spend that much time outside in terms that I need to be super bright, so it's okay. It definitely weighs a little bit more than the Google Pixel 5. Definitely has some weight to it, and it's definitely much larger than the Google Pixel 5, but it's still pretty good. You can still do most of it with one hand, especially having all the features and all the gestures that you can pretty much just swipe down whatever you put your thumb on the screen. So you can just swipe down anywhere on the screen and you get settings, or you get whatever else you get yourself into. So one of the things I'm really looking to test here is to see if it's an actual flagship killer like OnePlus is telling us, because especially now OnePlus has flagship phones like the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. Those phones are not cheap. They're pretty much in the same price range as the latest iPhone and the latest Samsung Galaxies. So it really wonders if this can actually kill a OnePlus 9 or a OnePlus 9 Pro. So it says to have the same camera format and the same sensor on the camera. So I'm really curious to see how it stands against that. Like I said, I never owned any OnePlus before, so this is going to be my first OnePlus. So brand new. So far the setup has been super easy. It's really intuitive, really easy to use, and really easy to get going. And that really is all for me today, to be fair. Like I say, it's a pretty short video. It's just my first impressions of the phone. So far it's been good. I've had it for just over 24 hours. So I'm really looking forward to test it over the next couple of weeks. Make sure to subscribe so you stay tuned for the full review of this device coming in about 2 to 3 weeks time. And getting more of it in depth into it, going through the display, going through the cameras and difference between the cameras, and then see how it stacks up against the Google Pixel 5 that has some of the best cameras in the market right now. But that's all for me today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you're notified next time my video comes out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya, bye!